Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. Depending on the size of your organization, your dashboard can get really busy based on how many salespeople you have. One of the nice features in CostCertified is you can actually select the salesperson that you want to view, and you can go right into their specific dashboard. To do that, you're going to go up to the top on the left side, and you're going to see the spot that says everyone. That means you're searching everyone in your organization. So you can actually become even more specific by clicking that, and then it brings up the menu here, and you can select each of the different people within your organization and get an idea of what they're currently working on. So if I select Josh, done, it will bring up his specific dashboard. So this is what Josh sees every time he logs into the CostCertified. But when you as an admin would log in, you would see everybody. So you can specifically set it up where you can look at just Josh's information, or if there's anybody else you're within that you want to look at too, you can. Another really interesting feature is you can do specific reporting on any of the details as well. So if you go up to the pipeline, or by the pipeline here at the Rubik's Cube, you click on that, you scroll down to where you see reports. Once you click on that, it will bring you to the primary screen of the different reports that you can choose. These are kind of canned reports that we've set up. You can click on clients, and this will bring up all the clients within your dashboard. Similar to what we were doing with just the salespeople, you're actually able to go down and break it into the very specific individual entities of that person, or you can leave it on everyone. But this will give you an idea of who's all in your dashboard, as well as any of the quotes that they have.